Vellaramchitta Tunnel and Waterfalls is the least explored destination in Kerala, which is situated in the Vagamon. The waterfalls is situated inside a dense forest and it's really pristine in its beauty. We started off from Ulupini viewpoint and then we headed on an off-road jeep ride to visit this beautiful waterfalls and then a tunnel which is called Vellaramchitta tunnel situated which is adjacent to the waterfalls. The waterfalls is a lovely place to take bath and to enjoy the serene nature of the Vagamon hills. When you look at the waterfalls, the cascading waterfalls drops from a height of about 30 feet and the water flows down in a beautiful way. You can also take a bath in the waterfalls and just enjoy yourself in the tranquil beauty of Vagamon. And now let's have a look at the Vellaramchitta tunnel, a 5 kilometer man-made tunnel which is situated just adjacent to the waterfalls. And the water from the tunnel joins together with the waterfalls and it flows through a river. People get down on the water to take some photographs and selfies, but I would say it's a little risky to get inside the water. Sometimes the water level might increase when the tunnel is open, valves are open. But you can see the beautiful flow of water that is flowing down and which joins with the waterfalls. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and let's stay connected, explore, dream and discover. Please like and share my videos. Thank you once again.